Hi everyone, Dr. Crowley here, and this is our end of the week video, the end of week 5, if you can believe it. Time is going pretty quickly, or at least it feels that way to me. In terms of this week, we were really moving towards what will soon be the end of our first unit, which we will really cap off right around step 11, which we'll start talking about on Monday. So I'll take just a few minutes to wrap up the end of the week here because we have been working pretty diligently on steps 9 and 10 for the past few days. And at this point, most of you have turned that work in. First thing I want to do is I'm actually going to talk about step 10 first because step 10 is our quiz, which was over pages 73 through 92 in a writer's resource. These documents will be, those pages, will be particularly important to our work next week. Okay, but it's good that we're looking at them now and thinking about them. So in terms of the quiz, move the window here a little bit, we did not appear to have much of a difficulty with the quiz. Okay, the average score was a 98. The average time was under 3 minutes. So did not seem to throw too many people. And in terms of the questions, there's no question that threw a significant number of people. So my advice, if you didn't do as well as you had hoped on this quiz, would be to understand that you are probably headed in the right direction, but a more significant annotation will probably help you in the future. So I would look to your annotations first. And I would also be careful to find the exact answers in the text before attempting answers. But overall, we did really well. So I'm not going to spend an awful lot of time talking about step 10. What I do want to address in a little bit of detail, and again, here I'm going to move the window, is step 9. Okay. Step 9 is our effort to draft our essay, revealing our subcultures. And I thought it was very productive this week. A number of you reached out with questions about the assignment, about the appropriateness of the topic that you had selected, about how to find and incorporate our course terms into your essay. And I was able to address those questions with a number of you. So that felt relatively positive. My sense is that if you have gone through and submitted, you feel confident in your ability to both address the prompt and also to do so in a way that upholds our basic values for writing as they've been established in this class. So we're thinking about multiple paragraphs. We're thinking about incorporating cited course terms in every paragraph. We're thinking about the significance of varying our syntax. We're thinking about the significance of citation again. We're thinking about the significance of it being a formal document that is a proofread document. All of these things are coming together in step 9. Okay, so those have largely come in by this point, and some questions came ahead of time, as I just mentioned a moment ago. So I feel like we're probably on fairly stable ground with step 9. I'll be grading it in the near future. You'll be hearing from me about it on Monday of next week. Okay, so in terms of this week, I think we have completed the basic work associated with the week. Next week, things will start to change as we both revise our initial submission for Essay 1 and also as we start to think about and be introduced to some concepts that are relevant to the second unit in this course, which I am looking forward to discussing with you. As I get ready to end this video, one of the comments I do want to make is that if there is some interest in establishing a general time where people would like to kind of meet with me to discuss the class or discuss concepts in the class or issues in the class, I'm very open to that. Okay, so if there's 2, 3, or 4 of you or more than that who want to get together sometime, it's possible we can find a time via Zoom to discuss the class and discuss the assignments in the class. So please let me know if that is of interest to you guys. I would be happy to do that, and we can try to find a time. Okay. Otherwise, guys, have a really good weekend. I'm looking forward to reviewing the work you've submitted for this week and for where it is we're going next in the class. Enjoy the weekend as much as you can. The days will be getting colder soon, so if you have an opportunity to get outside this weekend, I would encourage you to take it. Have a nice weekend. Bye.